In this video, we talk about Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro versus Xiaomi Civi 3. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro launched on March 2024 with a price tag of $600. The Xiaomi Civi 3 launched on May 2024 with a price tag of $500. The dimension is same in both. The weight of these devices: Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro 178 and the Xiaomi Civi 3 174 gram. The build: the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM support. The display: the both devices come with AMOLED display with 68 billion colors, and the screen size is same 6.55 inches. The resolution: Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with 1.5K resolution and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with 1080p screen resolution. The PPI density: Xiaomi 4 Pro come with 460 and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with 402. The both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio same in both devices. And the protection: the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the Xiaomi 3 come with 1500 nits peak of brightness. The camera: Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto, and it record 4K 60 fps video. The Xiaomi Civi 3 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it record 4K 30 fps video. The selfie camera: the both devices come with dual selfie camera, 32 megapixel plus 32 megapixel, and it record 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. The platform: Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with octa-core CPU with Cortex A78. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 4nm chipset and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with MediaTek 8200 Ultra 4nm chipset. The GPU: Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with Adreno 735 and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with Mali G610, and the Xiaomi Civi 3 Pro come with Android 14, MEIZU 14, and the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with Android 14 Hyper OS. The memory: Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro and the Xiaomi Civi 3 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage: Xiaomi Civi 3 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with 256GB and 512GB internal storage. No SD card supported in both devices. Let's go to the battery. Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro come with 4700 mAh battery. The Xiaomi Civi 3 come with 4500 mAh battery, and the both mobile come with 67 watt fast charging, no wireless charging in both devices, and it's come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Xiaomi 4 Pro got 26 points and the Xiaomi Civi 3 got 17 points.